money management, it's such a critical issue. It basically separates the winners and losers. In fact, it's been shown that if you give 100 traders a system, the same system, a system that's proven to have 60% winning odds, that still, out of those 100, you're going to get 90% losers. And it just basically goes to show you that money management is the key there, because a professional trader will be able to take a winning strategy and work it well. Even a 50% strategy, a great trader can turn a 50% strategy into a consistent profit. Poor money management is what kills most traders, and a lot of traders just don't understand how it is. Once we get everyone listening and on board, if you guys have any questions, just type them in the chat. I will get to them ASAP. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Is money management really that important? Yes, that's the answer. End the webinar. That's all you need to know. Yes, it is. It really is that straightforward. Yes, it is that important. Of course, we're not going to end it here because we have a lot to cover, but it is extreme important. In fact, there is no holy grail in trading, but if there was one thing that is as important, say, as the holy grail, it would be money management. While we're trading, we're always looking for that edge. It's the whole reason why systems are even developed, because we want to develop that edge. We want to get a 70% or so profitable system. That sounds like a pretty good edge to me. But see, the reason we need proper risk management is because even if you have a 70% profitable system, that means out of 100, you're going to lose 30 trades. So the problem is you're going to hit a losing streak at some point. You don't know if you're going to hit those 30 trades in a row. You don't know if you're going to hit those 30 losses spread out over the 100. You could hit your first 30 trades losers and then still have a 70% by hitting the rest. You could hit 70%. So you don't know where your streaks are going to come from. So because of that, it's truly important to risk small amounts. Because if you trade too much, you overweight your account. You could hit a losing streak, which, by the way, is well within the parameters of your strategy, and you could get, margin called or have such a huge drawdown that would be almost impossible to get back. It's not a sexy topic, but probably the most important concept in trading. And again, like I say, it's easy to understand, but really difficult to apply on a day in, day out basis. Even professional traders know, they know that they're going to have a streak, and they have losing streaks. So they know to keep their percentage low, and this will allow them to weather the storms. In fact, it's pretty much like this. If you're not using money management, you're basically gambling. Even if you are a gambler, if you met a professional gambler, the successful ones have money management systems. So they're straight up gambling, which is a situation where the house has the odds. So professional gamblers that are successful do it with good money management. Now we have an advantage. We actually can find high probability setups and wait for stuff that's in our favor. Now if we can combine that with good money management, then we can have a very lucrative career as Forex traders.